Today I'm reviewing these light up DND dice. These dice arrive in a low-key box. Upon opening, we're greeted with an extremely vital card showing proper charging and storing positioning of the dice in the case. We see the included USB-A to USB-C charge cable. Next, we open up the carrying / charging case. Removing the dice carefully that will allow us to take a quick look at the charge case itself. It is fitted to the dice so it can hold them in place and has a satisfying click upon closing. Now we'll do a few rolls. As you can see, the dice cycle through colors. As I toss them around, they don't seem to be landing on the same side more often than any other. However, I have been given a hard time that they may be loaded. But I think that's just my friend's jealousy that their dice aren't lighting up. I did notice a rattle on the D20, and I'm hoping that isn't going to be a cause of an early end of life for the lights on that one. However, time will tell. When I hook up the charger, it doesn't pull enough current to be measured with my kilowatt. I suspect it's just because the internal batteries must be quite tiny and have low power requirements to charge. I did go ahead and weighed these. All the dice were about 3 grams each, with the exception of the 20-sided die. That one came in at 4 watts. Mainly due to the rattling of that D20, I'm going to go ahead and rate this set 4 out of 5 stars.